Every resignation letter starts the same way. Dear HR, I'm resigning. But the real reason isn't in the letter. It's in the conversations that never happened, the appreciation that never came, and the trust that slowly disappeared. People rarely quit because of salary alone. They quit when meetings turn into monologues, when feedback feels like criticism, when their work is seen, but they aren't. Now imagine another manager, one who listens before leading, one who says, I trust you, take the lead, one who celebrates effort, not just outcomes. A project lead once told me, I don't need a manager who checks my hours. I need one who checks how I'm doing. Another employee stayed through a tough quarter, not because of pay, but because her manager said, You're not alone in this. That's leadership that retains. The truth is simple. Employees join brands, but they stay for leaders. If you want lower attrition, start with better conversations. Because people don't leave jobs. They leave the way they're made to feel in them.